Pardon, Nelly Samson Teron, and a pen talk show 60 Ningwe Inding Picture Tom Lo, the pen Ningwe Studio Long Nasi Tong Dun, Kopai Kimi Tum Long Du, Sar Dilip Singh Teron, Song or a play convenor, the pen Dun to Thare Sanjivan Lang Thasa, Alang Lige North Kachar Hills Penlo, the pen 60 Implementation Committee Long Seclemon Bomb, the pen Etum Song or a play Abidisar, Sar Jayakathar. Alang lita itum long dolo asalang ni pangal kita on pot choro pot pegla asinon dam tu pilo nang apoda dolo posi nasi aprang si nilitum kachithan kang tlung ba kala hello non kinang sop nai lo athe town committee election labang so notification la tum pangda galu sitame langdam lo pulodang te kedam tang nitum Guwahati High Court long PIL pidam lo songkor aplipen lapen labang so alam hoy ki pidam bangke lahen lo akimi rules 1951 rules bangke thialo pulo lasi town committee election ki biji afan damila 1951 rules si en ponji lasi rules ni ke selam tangte langle ko poson si nona bangke men la town committee election bangke ki bipoma la bangke nil tumi kamang huthulu sa lasi Kosong sila tum notification gi piaja kong gitu ko bata. Labang si tum kachini kan tum lo.
Aja kong ave pin si ke tek ke tum si aja kong si pe do thu la pu. Mane ke tek ke aposi aja kong si tin thu kok la. La lo aron ka pi phuk ke tek po si tin thu kok lo kalite Kapi puglo po anda si sini tuang vedar lah. Athema election town committee election kape doji a law ke 1954 pe 1958 aninkan se selam. 1954 aninkan ke a act se selam lo, pe 1958 aninkan ke a rules se selam lo. Hala 1958 a rule ka selam abang ke la ke esona bang ke 180 days. Jong si inu da munit da karbiang long arlu bak la so town ang bong do lo pulo tante jok tame kece tame dum tame deve tame election pidun lo pusi pu vote pidun lo pusi puturong. Data 180 days a period nangji puke sik sidul long ening hok ta tokti. La pen la so rule ka selam town committee a law ka selam la ke Sixth schedule, paragraph 2, subparagraph 7A, lapen ke paragraph 3, clause E, lapen ke paragraph 20, ateng ben si selam nangji. Amat, la so law ka selam bangke, paragraph 11, pensi ka selam. Paragraph 11 na long ke, law selam tami puli hada ke tokali. Hada ke kaselam tang a law, publish tami puli hada ke tok. Assam Gazette along ka publish dia pancara na ka selam dia pan kali amad lata ka chini nelo anga la non ningkan 1954 pen non ningkan throk kepra pho dam tang lo ta lata jok ta chini wang vedet lo je la so lo chok chi puke anga ke chok chi ta lata sidul tribe ili inglo so phanle lege du posan ta lata cho seta ili ke pudunji Chok che su sita itum pansia ledo po. Sita nono bangke la so lo bangke hala kichi tu pan alle ka pe doji awar sai ka pe doji apan si la ka selam chok. La so lo bangke la pe non election ka pe dota la ta kichi tu pan awar sai ka pe doji apan. Athema high court ke pu etlo. Paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 ating pen election a law selam nangi pa la pen ha so election a law ka selam long e long bang clause e long bang ada board pen council alam da dak do hala hey hui ka board pulote la ke municipal board pin ya phan lo
Andeng pi hini andeng so troxy long se tok lo la
dalang la hada se tok lo ai non hala so a law ka selam non anda tangtelang aport mo January krehini andolan kapetang dia phan Angela tang tiaku le kup sila council tu election ka pe dolo la ke thang phan ta li la ke la bongo senat tu phan la pen kichi tu phan our side ki pijia pansi la ilitum kaching hon ake hai CEM tu liram rong hang ke claim alang li ke tribal atom phan inglong so atom phan ali ka pe do phang ke claim take ue setala bongo sena atom phan ke claim pia bangela ke expert ustad aso
Yang ke alang li la press atum long ki pupu ke alang li ke worker culture bang si tir kring nai pusi pupu bon culture bang ke kangkira bang ke tum kar biang long pen tapi unang pupu se lang ke pupu sita long e ke som lok mas ke thek long sar so work culture bang si
work culture yong si work culture alang li work culture si kapiti pu son te hala lo ka selam si petang enang popo le
brani polo la bang
oi non ke hala lo ta selam tu tedet la pen work culture pu bo ilitum tribal organization atom phan ilitum ari chu pin po ha be atom phan ke hang nang ya lam du ka ching ki nang ya lam du la lo ka selam lo alang li la ke hang ye phan ta work culture avi tu det khang ya la bu ye
athela drafting long ke final itu man ke nang pon pe de lo
oi
hang dun bom ta exam me hola conclusion jitu la tang det pen hut hola jitu ki paking nai do pulatang de hola so nang hangi pu
oi
sita me la ta non nang ing samri nang hang
na hai de hala bang atom phan our side ki pg phan ke work culture bang ke do dam thu ke hat assembly long hadak assembly long si alang li file ta load de ma si hadak si ka pe hang la bang phan ke hang ya bang phan ke hang ke chia thom han ke hang ke chia thom han our side ki pia bang la ka work culture do alang li muthe inglong so tom phan ki du ka tom phan ke rabji rong be the ili tom phan ka na pe piduk weret sakurita pipe LP school teacher anta cholong dun desi piona kamanta long dun desi bangha city bethe Bangalore bethe dam etlo hala tum han ke wan dia phan ke our culture ave
la penesa hodak pini la bang so notification long ki pi hala akenang so ito documents ta hang hala da ke GST tax clear nang populo longle patta donang populo la pen electoral roll long amen donang populo sita hola da mang ke isi tumhan inglong asuphan ke rai kom itu protection bang ka bidat hala ST certificate bang jog dun de
oi lata lelo lata bhari ake thepi la inglong su birudhe ke claim lelo lata hala bongo sena tom phan ke chia tom phan our sai ke pija phan lo aba abinong ke schedule tribe certificate nang vek ji po bang hara ka tok nai non ke schedule certificate ke nang ne putu ko ye la ke bang phan la thema dum ke schedule tribe certificate long le de ji ke bamun ke schedule tribe certificate ave de ji ke la si hala tum phan our sai ki pija phan si schedule tribe certificate avete election contest long le vote tapi long le secondar la pen proposal dinta certificate schedule tribe certificate nang ji pu ke putu the det lo hala tum phan our sai ki pija phan
athe schedule tribe certificate nang ji pulo te lang me thulong de po ma
thulong le det po
nge la tum phan jong si la so po pidelo te hala vut long le de na
lun long le det na
la so bidi lo he ma sita la ke
hala tum han ka phiri lo he
phiri lo
pa binong ke langdam pen te bongo sena tum si la jaha to ma che thok tum ka ka so ka phiri
ye ke nga kong si chu be chi pulo bosar la
kalang lo
pet ke
laso schedule tribe certificate ke la prang we la town committee election ke do bom lo hala so ta la son hang hedet tilo masala
hang hedet ti lo hang hedet aprang hot hang mene ni li tum chini don de seta la non ni tung thek dun long an ke la 2000 aning kan ba 98 ba 2000 aning kan malom ben tung ke hang hepin lo what we are talking is that this town committee act was passed in 1954 and then rule was passed in 1958 by the council but according to 6th schedule this law should be made from paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 and paragraph 3 clause E and paragraph 20 but these laws were made under paragraph 11 paragraph 11 is only for publishing in the Assam Gazette only it is not for making law now that is so as per law, these laws are invalid. It is illegal. These laws are. So, and then, moreover, the High Court has already ordered to make laws for election under paragraph 2, subparagraph 7. And then in clause A, it is mentioned about board. For board and others also, law should be made. That means this town committee law also has to be made. But without making, the time is for making the law, the time is up to January 12. There is still time. They cannot wait even that time also. They cannot wait even for passing the law also. But because they want to give facility, opportunity, and more opportunity, more strength to non-tribal people. That is the reason why they are declaring the town committee elections now. It is not for the benefit of the tribal people. It is for the benefit of the Bongo Senas and other non-tribal people. Because they are afraid. The CEM and others are afraid of Bongo Senas.
In this or Latunge, Guwahati, Aman Gido Guwahati High Court orders is violate.
Yes, they have violated the High Court order. Because High Court order has told them to make law, and before completing the law, they have declared election.
And it is illegal.
So this election is illegal.
Lapen, ini tum cini. Sarpi sarpura atuma bangke di punange toidon ke han chojot heng chojot.
Oh, here one more to say. They have given. They say that those who have stayed in the town committee area for 180 days, they are entitled to vote and contest election. But this 180 days period is not mentioned in the 6th schedule at all. From where have they brought this one? Because that law itself is illegal. They are taking power from the illegal law. They have not, and then that law also made without any constitutional power. So this 180 days is also not valid. It is not known. There is no source at all. No source of power.
Sir, for which are the positions the elections will be conducted?
Chairman and ward commissioner and all. Not for chairman, I think. Chairman will be elected later on. Yeah.
Nominated or elected?
Elected among the elected people. So it is the ward commissioners. Their election is going to be held.
Sarnon langam bang. Sarpi sarba tumge aning kecepe the pensi asomar numhan. Thanks to your chot han to your chot pensi di puan lo nang baca li pangsi nang toy no. Ninge the pen mo charli dun pen undun pen kopine manun jime ne pula boson aninge the pensi nang toy dun lo. Seda me porhi tanget ajade po juro diti oiro diti. Thang awar saida pipe council pen dame voreng awar saida pipe. MA pass atumda BA pass atumda utosi ge nang lo sarnon ge. La sila hai kipi la pohai paklem nang ko ke la ke komal or responsibility la ke.
La ante la elected atumlo la council jase met ke la CEM MSC atumlo la ke. La alang litum ke chok che la pen MP ta lo. Athema MP ta MP ke ha count parliament long kaning ye nang ya bang lo ke. 6 schedule alam ke. La pen MLA tum ta lo. Athema MLA tum ta chief minister la pen governor mangi punangia bang atum lo ke MLA tum bang ke. Alang litum ta lo. La ka do ke chok che pen potsi non elitumari somar o karjang tum ke. Ha Bangalore tang ho Chennai tang ho hadak si sakor akam ke claim nam tu nang lo ajha ke hadak si thi at lo aba dead body ki thi tang ar puman da che wan thu long le dead lo nil tum rong dam lo te ajak sar pi tum ke nangri pitha ne sopota dun joi lo ko nat lo ne ke do chini ne puna pu tum do. We have got so many youths, those who could not get service here in council area. I think in Dimahasao also, in Karbi Anglong also, and they have left for metro cities like Bangalore, Chennai, and or where they are working as slaves. And because the work, the job which has to be given to them is now given to non-tribal people. For example, in 2000, 1400 teachers were appointed. Out of 1400 teachers, only 80 were Karbis. So 1320 were non-Karbis. And among them, of course, about 300 are tribal people. That means 1100 were non-tribal people who cannot get a job here in Karbi Anglong. They are getting 1100, and for us only 300, and Karbi only 80.
So to say they are all illegal.
Illegal.
They are not supposed to.
They are not supposed to get.
Yeah.
And those people who came from Guwahati, Karimganj, Silchar, Jorhat, Golaghat, Nagaon, they were living in good conditions houses, and so here they cannot go to the villages to teach in the school, and so they are not going to the school at all. Most of them are posting in the central place in Dipu, Bokolia, etc., and they are not going there to the and it has damaged the education of the children by doing that. And our children have become more illiterate than before in the name of quality education. They said quality education. Now there is no quality at all, and there is no education at all in the villages.
La pente het sar la sobang la department tinong ta la sobang ke la tum la son claim pon sar la tum department tinong ta paro so pan se pa ong pon son limit thang mata 2010 an income MPW jitu medical department along limit thang ma se hadag interview chu pidun vek lo la bang ke interview ka do ve limit thang se pa on loss ta me hala bang so hut nili pan bang appointment nang pipon pedase parok tu masih pi la so nili ke chini bang ke ado we to tell ke 70 post do la so nili ke metang se pidun long vek Bubon Chandra terang ke do 70 post do 70 post pen karbi tumang ke palong only 26 we se bang pan bang 44 abang ke bang pidat lo
Nah, lo non kacini da nang je bang ke kopi posi out of 70 pen kopi posi tum bang kora trok vet lo kacilong la bang hello sir.
Lage ka lante eson bangke la 6 schedule alam lo alam ke tek ka chini ne po la CMEM atu lo alam ke tek po MLA tum ta MP tum ta lo alam 6 schedule alam ke tek po la 6 schedule pe na jok si ala tum CMEM MLA MP ke chiplang ilo anta la so pu taksi alang li tum karjap lo la anta kopia taksi la tum karjap ma la ta chini thu the da pot lo amat si anke non ke 6 schedule arlo ke reservation ave popak putu open ke popak ningge thurong la pu la ka chini ne pot lo la si rat aso la yu chini nang ye la pe non ke rat atuman da chini bom lo la pon ni tum ningarong lo rong be thi ta la salam chini bom lo
la so la foundation abang si ekdom phalang no lab lo
phalang ho lap lo
la foundation bang si me sen lo protente la hai bang ke non me pon bom po sa
La the Ladakh nang lidai kupu la Indian Constitution lo ke la poson Chinese tu manda la pon reserve ave American manda la ave di la poson ka reserve tang de la 6 schedule Indian Constitution ta la ke Constitution arong pi bang lo ke 6 schedule ta la ke tum inglong aso tum han schedule tra tum han arong pi a Constitution lo tang de hala Indian Constitution pe la 6 schedule ka cheprek dulang ma Ladakh reservation
la ke cheprek pelu break pelu lage Ladakh 6 schedule arni siata pulo la India a constitution na longta dak reservation ave so dak taxi la 6 schedule longta lata reservation ave hala India constitution bang lage India na phan lok lo la pen angton lo la 6 schedule long ke lage inglong so to phan lok lo angton pen lo lage arni siata ninge lo lage
la po anili teman la ron ke me ki pitang de ta sar la ke phalang no bang ke tum ke la ke ning duk me alam bin nong lo la
ke tek the pot lo am ben ke tek the ke la la CMEM MLA MP tum ke tek the pot lo la pen ke la ke tek the atuma phansi hala rong so tum ta vote ta pitu rong te tia pot lo ke the alang li tum ke chini ne det lo rong aso ke athema lo ke la pu helo pu ta ku than thu the det ke alang li tum phan MP ko manne MP ko manne MLA komannya CMEM si kitab ot pontan pura pe klandam pu komat lo do nonan ta claim ke la kente than thedet kente muni ke than thede chini ne de ti kente
নন কে থেকলাম আতেং ব্লতে আহক আলাম বাং থানতে মানে ইতিয়া বর্তমান কাৰ্বি আংলঙত এনেকুৱা সিচুৱেচন চলিছে যে হসা কথা মানে ইলেক্টেড মানুহে নকয় গাঁৱৰ মানুহক ইলিটাৰেট মানুহক সকলক মানে হসা কি হয় আইন বিষয় মানে একো নকয় আৰু নিজেও নোৱাৰে আৰু লোকক কেনেকা ক'ব হলেও আমি এহতক নোৱাৰে বুলি ক'লে এহতক বেয়া পায়
আৰু এতিয়া কথাটো হৈছে এই যিটো টাউন কমিটি ইলেকশন আৰু কোঅপাৰেটিভ সোসাইটি ইলেকশন মানুহে ভাবিব পাৰে এইবিলাক সৰু বস্তু বুলি কিন্তু এইবিলাকে গ্ৰাসৰুট সেই গ্ৰাসৰুটৰ পৰা যদি ঠিক নাথাকে তেতিয়াহ'লে ওপৰতটো কেতিয়াও ঠিক হ'ব নোৱাৰে ফাউণ্ডেশ্যনটো যদি ঠিক নহয় তেতিয়াহ'লে ওপৰত কেতিয়াও এইটো স্থিৰ নহ'ব এইটো
ভূমিকম্প আহিলে গ'ল
পৰি যাব সেইকাৰণে কিছুমানটো আমি নুবুজিব পাৰো এই 6 শিডিউল paragraph 20 কৈছে ইট ইজ ট্ৰাইবেল এৰিয়া সেই ট্ৰাইবেল এৰিয়া বুলি কোৱাটোহে আচৰ ভেটি এইটো ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন এইটো তাৰ ওপৰতহে আমাৰ 6 শিডিউল এৰিয়াটো বহিছে তাৰ ওপৰতহে সেইকাৰণে এই paragraph 20 টোহে ফাউণ্ডেশ্যন এইটোহে আচল বস্তু সেইটোহে ধৰি থাকিব লাগে
la pente sar la alangli la CM turura make hai alangli samya amethang ningje pon diti la bondho pene organization tum pilo protangte alangli la high court alam la pen supreme court order alam si karju la puson se alang ke claim la bangalangli me seno la so kamna ke sitame noni tum la son ko rapitum jitu ke pitang det la so order high court order alangli la so bang ke sitame claim to ai heda
claim ka hai de
tala hala jitu bondho jitu la ke supreme court pen order do la bange guwahati high court pen order do la sila bange ni tumi kroy pa melo la ke lo aron pa ke ni tu ke othib lo kusi kuku sar
lason heyo sar ni ni isi ke ne amon ke la hello hala kangkir hor bange lason holang li reply bp ke kuku la kangkir hor bange chini lo supreme court pen se order lo kangkir ke illegal pu sitame la illegal ko an inkir check lo pote itu hala kopilma freedom of movement seize that ko an ma business umda ke loss banke hala chipa pleng nang ko ipusalang ni dai pupu sita la kasilam le de titula 1951 arus election ki pa du arus silam le de banke akai apara kai sikar bietum ge lagi ki thi po banke inglong asotum ki thi po banka langli matha dampra
mante la pule chipi nai bute hala bang pharu krepli a master apo ador moha anke inglong aso tum long si le nangi
le nai ponu lage
le nangi ande alang li tum si pipe de lo kante alang li ta chepe pleng nangi ande
pleng nang pola
alang li chepe pleng nangi alang li tum chepe pleng nangi komat ma la claim la inglong aso tum phan hala bang pharu krepli ador moha bang non ke kichi tum long si toy at lobo la chiwan thu nangi ante alang li ta duty do lage aku lagi alangli pulo alangli tum pulo je high court order dosi bond claim nang ne puna muhe tak putang la bond claim nang ne pulo bond high court order duge la law selam nang i pulo ko mati and as per 6 schedule pusi pu as per 6 schedule pulo te hada isia constituency ta tribal kalide to mangge reserve long le la pen voter list along ta no tribal kalide to amend do long li 6 schedule la teng pulote as per 6 schedule alang la high court se order pilo high court alam arju nai ante alang li la bon alam arju chot le pulo
ako hi ben matha da melo pote ela itum a rights ditu la constitution law itum kache hang bange matha da melo te kan kirta hedi henone asai jo jite lomni tumge claim ke dialo te pula
yes kangkir ta hala supreme court high court order ta kangkir madle kertang boleh gali jong si kangkir hot komanne abostu a property government property paluksan pahai no dak lote papivir dat lote make ke pichok lote la so ador ke la so adam ke ador ke cipi tu nangi pu ada ke pu paluksan long le jai paluksan se det pen ke claim thek lo pulate panahok he pin pen si ban ke kol lo pulate lage Supreme Court High Court ta illegal pupi la bangke athima lage a part of like democracy ke lage
inge non 1951 rules of Islam le pulote mo isu ko ane inglong hill tribe tum bangke akaya che theke itum pudam de na oxygen lo lage laso oxygen no sina thambi pe lo de gulo itu ili tum ke reng lage keneka hobo 1951 rules o amar bhabilo amar oxygen hetu oxygen hill tribe or oxygen jodi bondho hole ami keneka mane jiai thakibo parim
aru etia huthim high court dhoni ki koi Dima Hasao ki gondogol ase etia bortoman current problem current kotha problem ba kotha
Like you have so many problems in your district. We have many problems, but one of the recent problems that is very much bothering me is the 1,000 crore scam. Who was the one behind this scam is Arish Khan, and along with him we have this Mohit Hojai and some of his colleagues are still behind the bars. But this Arish Khan is in the media these days, like he has been given a clean sheet from the Autonomous Council, and he will be most likely to join as a deputy director of this social welfare department. And I'm not able to understand and now he has given a clean sheet, whereas Mohit Hojai and other of his companions are still in the jail. How is that possible?
is that because of taking partiality or something
Yeah, don't you see some kind of partiality towards this Arish Khan and the rest of our Dimasa leaders who are still behind the jail?
Yes, because I also saw in the Protidin news that R.H. Khan has been released and then he is going to join his service again. The thing is that they have said that it is believed that the government has not submitted proper materials to the High Court. A weak response was sent, very weak response, very durbol eta response hai High Court of di dile. Hei karone High Court to iman to nasai etu to telokor sabolo duty no hoy je etu court ase. Where is the thing that High Court, it is not the responsibility to High Court to see, but we feel that the government, in order to save some high up politician, because there was some high up politician must have been using R.H. Khan. So in order to save R.H. Khan and ultimately to save that high up political person, maybe must be in the BJP, that person is now. Previously he may have been in Congress. Now he may have been in BJP. That is why to save him, I think this R.S. Khan has been released. And this deposition against R.S. Khan from the government has been made weak. They did not give a strong deposition. That is the thing.
Then why can that big shot politician do the same thing to this Mohit Hojai, Niranjan Hojai, and Joel Kolosa?
Yes, because according yes. So far I know they are scheduled tribe, no? These Dimasa people. So they look down upon us. Just as they have been looked down upon us,
discriminating us,
looking down upon us in Karbi Anglong also. Everywhere it is like that. Because even if we don't want to say, but they have shown by action, by their action. Is it not so? Because if they want to save R.H. Khan, Mohit Hojai and what is that another? Niranjan, Joel Kolosa and all, they could have submitted a weak deposition against them also so that they can get bail. But they are not doing because they are tribal people. That is the thing. We do not want to say, but it has been shown by their action.
in fact, once some months ago, all the masses gathered and protest against the arrest of this Niranjan Hojai and release of this Mohit Hojai and all that. But in the case of this Aris Khan, nobody has done so much. But in spite of the fact that we have done so much for the release of these Ardimasa leaders, nothing is being reflected on their parts. How unjustly we are treated.
Yes.
It's very sad.
Yes. They are taking advantage of the weakness, our own the weakness of our tribes people. They have taken advantage of it. We are poor. We cannot do anything. We cannot go to court. We cannot go submit appeal. We have got no money. They have taken advantage of it.
And non I see question mangala hello ni tum experience ke long ateng ban sa la jai pong area along ningkan drop cap la pen ningkan 90 years on the hedi voter list long amen ave an anamo chinki won tum da amen ave la si 400 ne 500 ne non a list samidam long lo la si hala so area ko son si lahai tum hana men thap lam long le der BLO tum si ki chok chima mate hala da arong asor tum si ki chok chima mate supervisor tum si ki chok chil hoda la so pu thap bangke chining tung duk lo
Alangli jai pong asor putame.
La so bangke actually ke la systematic pen claim pa mi mendat la pen rada pan jo pajoy ke dat ala bangke la non jitu systematic mokha bang rat pan than paklar ke dat details sa mokha koson si la so bang so amen avidet pulutang te non akai ho bangke la so na men ke che thap dun pen la pen la puson si documents nang ji la pen la puson document piduno te hada accept po pula hai ta thang ta details than the la pen awareness program da ve la pen la hai pen a job ke rat mang chin dun de
nge non ladak jong si irong pen bang pharo tro amni si voter list lo amen thamune der pulotang de ituma population percentage e kuna si ki o lang ke
la pen de la dak
Alamang ke.
lang hin ason thak si all kar bin long ta la puson na situation ke do po
kapre arong do jibon
constituency long same do pig ji lang la bang ke non bang ke online system sinang le rok lo ke online ke li tum ke advance ave pin la itum ke online bang ke claim thek the college student tum ne ke admission ki pi online pe purutang te online pe ke claim dun phans hala tum ta me thek the la pen par ke rong sor ke pusi ke charlie ka ve pin tum le ke charlie ke do tum ne metric pass online pe claim nu thek the la puson na do hala charlie ka ve pin le ke puson se la bang so online pe claim pon thek ko
la sila bang tuning rilo la organization tum kapre organization tum da do lo social organization tum student organization tum hana tuning rilo la voter list along amen ke thap dumi mange la ka kinang so binong lo athe tum Indiana su pokachi puke la voter list long amen do dunang ji la pen kupine facility nang ji puita me etum voter list long amen do dunang ji athe da karbiang lo akarbi mate karbiang long ke do dun arat puita me si la bangke kinang so ang theklu dong si voter list long amen ave pulutang te la kasung grupo
la bang so voter ID la puan ador ke do pula puson interest ta pipeda la pen de interest ta la puan ke do la so ador the piku mane aki bi na kam se ke tin thu la poyo
ili tume chi thanwe lo mate sa vote ki jo election le puha bang ke chemana pa yo nang punang tum ki dam tang da ka than lage
Chuni tum case ke claim cheng ho la so la thexer atum lo graduate atuman ta ningi ja te vote bhat ke na pe job do nang bu ningi ba ke vote bhat pe pu thu vote bhat ke na pe job do nang bu la si e che thia bong lo pu ke chen chi ni wang we
si ja lo la he na lang sat bom lo non
la hello political power la when we file a case na that this illegal non-scheduled tribes should not be allowed to vote. Even educated people, we heard them talking. Let them vote. Vote bhat. Because they do not know that the voting is the political power. They cannot understand. Yes, this is the position. Our people are like this. But the thing is that since the government has got all the power, all the resources, it is they who should go to the villages and create awareness and help them. This online is to make the people easy, is it not so? But this online is creating lots of problem to the villagers, is it not so? Then for the villagers, this online should not be insisted. It should be done like before, and then all others should be, and the election personnel officers should go make their own camps in the villages and help the people to register their names in the electoral roll. And then some people used to say, then time nai dei etia buli koi, time nai dead goal buli. Kintu moi jonamote at least once a year to hole electoral roll revision hodai thake, primary revision buli koi. Aru tar pasot to massive revision ketiaba aru thake, election or agot hole massive revision thakibo. Kintu every year primary revision is primary nohoy kiba eta
inclusion of
nam revision to hodai thake. Karon why? Because a person who is now 17 years 11 months only at the time of revision, after 1 month he will be eligible
to vote.
Eligible to vote, and if his name is not in the electoral roll, that means he is deprived of his democratic rights. That is the reason that revision should be done as often as possible, maybe once in 6 months. It should go on, and then people should be told that they can submit their names at any time in the year.
Indela dam thulo nan ilitum kaida chithan ve lo la pen chithan pinala musingili dama thalo আমি হদায় কৈ থাকো আৰু হদায়ও মানে এটো ডিসকাস কৰিব লাগে বুলি মই ভাবো যে আমি এটা বহা বা এটা থাকাটো ভাৰত ভিতৰত বহিছে এতিয়া আমাৰ ভাৰতৰ মানে কেনেকুৱা চলে ইয়াতো ডেমোক্ৰেটিক সিস্টেম আচ্ছা মই আপোনাক এটা কথা সুধিব বিচাৰিছো যে
ইংলিছৰ
we are living in India, and India is a democratic country, we all know that very well. So the person who has not got the power or who has not so to say elected, can we able to do something for our people?
Okay, that's quite interesting question as well. People say the social workers or the social activists they should not involve
politics
in the politics.
Yes,
because it degrades the
image
or dignity of the person, because most of the people believe politics is a dirty game. But in a democratic country, I think without being elected you can do nothing. Because you are not in a position. Social worker,
what he will do? Only just they can give, or he can give pressure only.
Even pressure also. Who listens when you are someone elected in the big post? Do you think he will listen? There is a saying in our Dimasa, like when you partner,
you can speak in your own language.
When you partner, if that person is a rich person, it doesn't smell. But if it is poor, then it smells, it seems. So it's a saying. That's a saying in our Dimasa. So I feel like without being elected, it is of no use how much you put your efforts in what you want to bring up in the society.
Maru tia sar pura moi janibo bisarisu sar nangli kopilo kamatha lapu sanjiman kote sanjiman mangela lahedi tamne council longnon state longnon council longnon parliamentary longnon parliament longnon tami jongsi haidunde elected members cheplang nundi bulote alang ya takle mudi busalang tami thanlu dasila so putha mane question lo.
Samson, I want to add one more thing before your answers. Like some years ago, I came across what Anna Hazari and this Arvind Kejriwal, they were doing the agitation. That time I came across one person saying, if you want to clean the system without entering into the system, you cannot clean from outside. So if the system is bad and you want to clean the system, then you need to enter. So I think there is also some kind of connection with what you have asked me.
Yes. Only we'll have the capacity to smell only, not we don't means allowed to taste the actual delicious food. That is the thing what you want to say, right? Nasi.
Now lasi alam mangai lage kaita ningye bom alam le ili ke ningye tu olo ningye o masih neli pan ke bang na pu o lagi election ke tur kang tung pulai ja kang tung tah election ke ko masih kang tung thawari me thang bele kintu alam bang ke kam claim ji pulate election hai de tike nang pe claim long le de thelo athewa lage democratic alam lo ke ende Demoskratos pulo kente demos puga munit atum pulo muluk atum pulo kratos puga power pulo muluk atum a power nilipan ang pipede lang kente election ne phana pe hayan si nilipan a power ajakong nang pijike lan si ne claim unji kente la si non high court order nang pilo ke hangdang ge nitu election lo selam nang ji puga nitum si high court long ke hangdang nang silam nang ji pul high court ki kipu amar ka silam ke toy ke nang je ai ka thar le silam nun pu ke pu pede 24 plus organization le silam nun pu ke pu pede nang tum case ki pia tum le silam nun pu ke pu pede bang ka silam nun pu ke bahal election ke hai tum si pu hala tum si silam nang ji pu
La hello.
athe ma hala tum si rat amuluk aja kong hala tum long si ki pitang do ko kente Nili panda nang pipetik nili ke Hong Kong na ji 24 plus organization nunta pukong long marian na ya appear je progress chora na ji akama bang
La
la
hello
ji
non rara tum ka chini dam de nili ka chini ate pulo tante.
Dapen teh sar dak ni li thelam ningje dum kang tum do la rat tum ka la tum ja semet la puson si ka ningje ti do jong si la iti tum han jitu claim noi pu alo nang pitang lo la jong si claim debt pulo tang te iti tum hala jitu election non ki thur don ji tu ma politics non ke pathu ji tum je
Kopilo claim nampo.
hala tum han itum rat tum boycott unji ma pula pu sonda kar ripondo atum ma election thur long le nang tum ke thur long le rong be the ta nang tum ke lam nang tham long le ni ha camping long le la pu son itum claim unji ma la pu son se ke rat tum kar ripondo
seta hala tum han se rat suge nang tum jata claim un pusi aja kong pitwer lo election hu si pitwer lo
Behind that lo.
rat akam nang tum claim nang ji pusi election ben si kape hai si jakong pier lo jakong pitang a pisi nang tum claim nang ni pu pu lo pu po lage illegal lo lage law ka leader lo lage law teng ka leader lo lage hala in nang kape hai tang munir bang police pan hang manang pe teng tet si set chok lo la bang
Non ilitum ke claim na ibang ke isi option dolang. Non rara so ke pahai dun ke la elected atum phan ke non ke dubon phan ke ki pahai dona theke kam ke pakle mi pha. Di. Poisa chono na hem chi kimon gari kime chenam non la penana ne kong juidamon la pu phale Delhi Bombay kang jar phale tum ke pai dun kali. Kam ke pakle mi phan sai ke pakle mi phan si etum ke pahai dun. Tang de la tum claim ke det pulo de pilot de la tum ke. Ciuna po akaprek tum ta dulang gente la song ta ke theke
si unang po bang ta kalilo hala rat asusi pape rem det nang
la hello he
la pente ako thelam ki pu do tu ti sar la puson la jong si la son claim debt pulote itum ka duk we ka bitum da election non bataye pram bang ke jog je debt na la puson na ke pu do la jog je debt te ko pilo ke je plan ko
ai fake ba
la
son jog je debt lote ko pilo ke
ahok lo lata election son je cheplang we report pula bang pharuang bang bang trok kep bak kom nei sita la tum le jog je det ason te hadi more than 50% ta tum le jog je det person hadi lata isona lam the do ji sita hala da bang ke lata democracy teng bang law teng ke jok tu the de se ta hedi nang tum ning hang si jok ye lugi puli alam mangke bang ke jok ye tum bang nang ji democratic nang yi pusi ke jok lo hala tum mateng pe bang thom kep le jok cho se ta hala tum si ke chok lo
Thế là cái giống gì job dun năng lên lớp rồi thế là kỳ lúa cam rồi
ki luo kam lo lage hala ka ching ki no tum he ka he no tum han ke lage our side me thu mu chot lo la tum han ale si ke do thu lo ke rap don tu je plang tu det po lage la pu yu hala tu poisa ta pi thu yok plot po ke ini si hai det po ke ente
này thì chắc dun ding akar bar chot to bosa
lage 1983 election da la pulo le inu da MLA ke bang pak privet ke long 1983 Farooq Reser kebra Trogner kebra ke thom election inura munit ke inura MLA pak privet hema sorsi ke job
là people là rap tum cái job cái đẹp rồi
job ye det la asu tum AAGSP po Assam Gona Songram Porishad po tum election boycott lo ke la ma se boycott lo 1983 ninkan la Assam movement hot lo amar boycott lo jok ta jok ye det lo amar bang hem si tum dam man jok dam det apu phan apiso bang jok dun det aso pu jok dun det amar bang election hai de
và cái joy thu số cái
amar minister re plan de ke joy chu so wali jo long ta dam thu ka ve hem si bang an chu der man jok dam det
là bang số bang cái rap tum ra cái chini cái nang sốt rồi
la pu ye bang dap ma han an chu tun pe me man he canvas dam ya kam da velo procession ke dam ya kam da velo bang man poisa chu pi ya kam da velo oxygen nam thu man bang an chu pe me man bang li hem si bang jok dam der man minister ya plan de
asa ente nali phai si nili sanon thena dila amek ka we bang akapre kamuni da amek ka we nan nan tuwar chiya thei masumuni la
la ke thek chelo
thek thelo di ente
la si jo bana mek thon ngi pi lo
ente ko pc itum rara tum lai tuma elected atom phan ke thek the chen nam chenan nam lo putan de ko pi bosin de la tum phan ke pahai bom monte la
la ke thek the polo la ya rata tum masi ki lu lo la ke non da ili tum man pu he 24 plus organization to get che song bom nai pu mane hangjo bom nai pu hala ake thek the tum ke claim kang tum te phan le pa pe hai bo mana itum mang hang dun ju cho nai pu la pu ye ko an lo ke hang un po a le pi lo do po la
kuje palo ko mai kuje palo ruan
la ke ki lu kam lo la ke
che song lo hai sa
ki lu kam lo la ke apu ya ko kali ta ja to mang hang dun jo na poisa bang ha backdoor pen hanu na tu anu na tu pen chu en chom na putang ma thalo me ne a ja to mang ke la son ke la ke lam jong lo la ke re kali lo ki lu lo la ke
ente sir itum thelong lo Meghalaya state kilong ta APSLC holo gadi hala tum kilong ilokta chi resign la pusinang li tanang than lo la pen long lo la tum success lo tum successful lo long lo la pen kidam tang ningkan isilo ne ningkan hini apranta UPA government hotame alang tum pulo akimi state ki PG ke ani tum long provision ave kusiku seta bang Telangana asor lo la elected tum ke bang ton ben chi ola ma bang ke pinang ko che theng the pilo bola sot ke
che theng the
monit ta thithelo che theng the pilo tang de ende karbiang long tame la son claim lo pulte tum pine effective pine result mesen result son dima nani ka mata
la ke do vek po la ke la sineli ke non ke do tang ke do bom IMP MLA CEM atum phan MSC atum phan tan ni ke choning ri bom lo nang tum resign at non la autonomous state ke long jia phan la pen election arona teng pen chikleon thro a phi do thuleji hala sohot ne tum jok ta nang thur dun de lo nang tum phan sin nang rap dun thu et nang tum phan nang pe hai dun et po pusi in ning aklong ba sin deli ke ning ye bom lo la sala an ke ili tum autonomous state long wek ji ke long bang wana ling tamile tuliram rong hang le wan tamele ni tum ba bida singing leng le wan tamele bate sum rong hang le wan tamele la pen joiraming leng le wan tamele numonte momin le wan tamele bida biren singing ti le wan tamele ni tum opus pele la ke ki wan singan ji autonomous state athema autonomous state long lete itum la 6 schedule ta ka implement ji sum krung non ke at ke sum krung atheke Parokre sirkep ra trokep ra sirkep aningkan la more power puke hang hut halabang su ilitum ake hai CS teron atum soy terang atum ke hang hut Dhoniram rong pi atum BB Joy Bodro Hakjar atum la more power ke hang hut amansi less power si nang pirong hala paragraph 2 subparagraph 7 along Governor nang Croydon date law selam long lip pahadak bidu tukoke. Amasinon ke la hello Governor ke Croy pulote lasge MLA highway ningi MLA tumsi Governor pan nang Croydon nang ipuge punangi tum ke ala tum. MP tumsi punangi ke CMEM tumsi ke punangi kente. La hello election thurwek nangi itum. Election hide de tikke lage thanda claim undi lagi.
Ke article 244A long ala Indian constitution long pulo Parliament of Hanke Jakom Pidelo Pusipuda. Autonomous state Keseng Fan. Inte Elituma leader, Kehoda make Jang Longi Mala.
Lage longli, ako hedi. Ala elitu MP ba MLA to masih megang nun chot pula hepu kipu hedi. Seta demokrasi tengke. La tu mapan chini lor si pe hai bom lo mati di. La pod rat atum si nan tu megang dun nun pu pulo abinong ke. Arona teng ben lang dam lo te. Rat atum si nan tu Important people. Megang dun nun. La pula alam mage. La sinon ke people si megang chot pu ke kipu ga le velo. Nang si jang dun nun pu thang det le bang ke joy ke alam lo megang dun po bang ke. Parliament ar lo bang ing sam tu dop lang. AC do ya do assembly ar lo ing sam do. Asuki ta ke mesu so gali. La ke bege jang po bang ke. Nang tum si jang dun nun pu lo le.
Lam ning je ta no ta.
Aku jang dun nang ni ponde la ke jang dun nang ni tu man pe hai nang i kente.
Hello, Rara Suduna Chokti. Itu masongja masih pura rata di amethanum da chokti.
No, we are talking that people are saying that why our MP, MLA, they used to go and sleep.
Parliamentary.
But they have got no right to question now because they have voted them. Knowing fully well that they will sleep again. Because these are not new MLAs and not new MPs. Those who used to go and sleep, they are not new. They are already there several times. So now they used to make them win again. And then they are asking, why do you sleep? Array, you know it very well that you will sleep. So that is you people who vote them. Those who have voted them, they want them to sleep. And so there is no question why should they ask now why you sleep. It is very good for them because the chairs, everything in parliament and assembly is so comfortable. AC is there. It is cool. It is very nice to sleep there. And the public has asked them, allowed them to sleep. So they sleep. And if they don't want that they should not sleep, then they should vote to those people who do not sleep.
Very good. This one. Lapen kipadusi nangkar juga nanglikar juga tumbang lah hello sir. Hala law relating to election po law along hai sir. Hala da sabso demokrasi alam kitok do bon hoda. Ilitum demokrasi adet lo rat atum si ajak kong pulo yo. Muluk atum si ajak kong pulo. Tangte mission adet pacari pulo tangte kosona songjasi nang po ilitum pa.
Dake pula po hello in this law relating to elections. It is written here that election is the time for discussion to find out what is to be done in the next 5 years and who will be the best to do. So for that they should talk, discuss. This is the time for talking, consultation. It is not the time for asking money from the candidate, not the time for eating. It is not a function. It is not some glamorous thing. It is a meeting. It is a time to talk, discuss, consult. Who is to find out who will be the best person to speak on our behalf in the parliament, in the council, and in the assembly. This is what it is written here. And they said that election is the time to choose the best, the wisest, the most knowledgeable people. It is written here like that. Not because those who can give more money, not like that. Those who can bluff so much, not like that. That should not be chosen.
La pena sar la ajar election man punan tame LAMS election tame town committee election tame council election tame no la council arlo kido anamangke la 1951 a rules ke thita lo gadi hala pen ke chok yelo non ma ke
chok chelo la pen non na pu arling alam na pu tu dan ni English pen pu lo alang li si English pen pu nang yi pu ma si tu pu bom lo he has told us that we should talk in English, that's why we are talking in English. But this our people, Karbi people, it is essential for the Karbi people to know. I have spoken earlier also. Election a homoy ke, election a hut ke, poisa ka chuhang a por gali. Pe reaching thang pe me lipstick chivit pe me legi juidu na por gali. Trak aso che thap dun ma hang yu chora por gali. La ke la so hut ke itum up Allah. Council along kang ni dunji, lam kaning je dunji, MLA assembly along kaning je dunji, lam kaning je dunji halada, la pen parliament long lam kaning je dunji, itum up Allah. Ko matsi ke menai poma, ko matsi ke tek nai poma, pu kaching wai, kaching ki, kachar ju se roy apor election ke, la pen ake menai apansi. के ठेक नहीं अफांसी मेक के जंग जे नहीं अफांसी काम के क्लेम नहीं अफांसी के चोचे नहीं अफांसी ला पैसा ता के चोचे नहीं पैसा ता रात अतुम फान की पीपे नहीं थंग बाबे के नाम वोट के नाम ने नहीं अतुम अफांसी इंवाई नंगी पुसी डाके तो
and the people also parlin phak tum kar ben long lo
ki lu lo parlin phak này ilio ki lu lo la si ili tung kai ta ka parlin ake so da ka kam ke la si kai ta ke chu pusi pu ke claim pu pi itung ke ne batai te pulo ke chu pusi jasme ti pu ke claim pu pe itung ke CM ke chu pu minister ke chu MLA ke chu pusi puji la pen de MP ke chu pusi puji itu kamburan ta ke chu pusi ke pu recho phanda ke chu pusi ke pu tu la pu yo itung ke claim pu pe abino ke claim pusi pu nangi bang asami satung ke asami satum la pen bang akhe tum an ke claim pusi pu asami satum la pu he lagi pu এখেতৰ কাৰ্যকালত পুছি হলা তুমি পুপু এখেতৰ চিফ মিনিষ্টাৰ কাৰ্যকালত এখেতৰ ডিসি কাৰ্যকালত পুছি ইলিটো হলা তুমি কি পুপু কাৰ্য পুকে কাম বাফান কাল পুকে আহুত কাম কে ক্লেম আহুত পুছি কি পু হলা তুমি কি চো হুত পুপে লাসি নন পেঙ্গে কাৰ্বি তুম লা সা কি চো পালাম নিয়ে ইয়াদা নাই চুম্মাং তো মাসি কি চো কে মাং পুদুন আং আমে থাং তুকে হা এমপি এমএলএ সিএম আন তা কি চো পুলাই সে কি চো কে মাং sai pusi ke tin tu la son ke vive dat nai
mane la so alam the bange eli tu ma
ni dat nai election ki thur dun lo te lage ke chule po bange matha the dat nai
athe phan pharo mo me nu kya ki me doji la hello tu ma chini da mai ma ke la hello kinang so lo itu mesena along region si pacheja ponji bulang te ya songja bang da mesena po meselo bote tu ma khaida job la hello la si nengwe banga por do lo posi talk show on 60 bange inding plikebra ke thom bange la ponse kang ton bange dum basic
la pram pula la hala election town committee election ka declare la ke netum 24 plus organization pengen itu oppose lo pinisi emphanta memorandum pidam lo la pen la tunge election pedunang ne arul silam allo silam le tik election pedunang ne puji pudam at lo
la pen an tongwar ye kam abe ke January ni hongu la tu
aku NRC alam ta dola
NRC ta tangte la
NRC ta je lang nangji la tu
talang lo to la sineng we mangge la ponsi kang ton pon lo la si ke hai Dilip Singh Terom nang litame studio long ke bang choro lo and thank you Sanjeevan for coming in our studio and once again I am very thankful to you and sir nang phanda me choro lo la poson kai ki tami tum phan apor nang pidun pen ki than ki mum la pon se tum phan bidi sore na kai ki da nang pidun pot nang li long ame anam hizme peduna la si talk show on 6 schedule ingdeng phoke applicable ka thomang ke la pon se kang ton lo la pen nang ki lang duna tum jirpia tum ning ke me pen he phan pen Karbi made hill tribe dimasa kuki kado ka be jirpi do ang tum matame nang li tum un an pen shares mon tha itum chini lo bolotang te itu ma jakong pulo tang de itum cirai kom thekpo apen che song thekpo to la pan si
la pen la hala rat atum han kapacini kang tum aning ke hang atum don te dak ili tuma studio rong nang
Bang,
dun
tapi,
ra anerlu sita la dak claim det nang ajur chot le claim nang ipali anerlu ta claim det ji kadu ta claim tame la pe ame thang aning ke hang pen ta claim tame la son ta tha
la pen phone tame nang loi tame wa studio yong dong sinang cepate dung ji pulo tang ten itu mangke kaki tame nang le tum mansi chulang ding lu to la pan si ning me bangai kang tong lu
Cardong.
Cardong.
Cardong.